SuperBolt by GeoSpy AI is a game changer in the AI world, and if you've been looking for something truly groundbreaking in the software space, you've found it. This tool is packed with features that could transform how you approach marketing, business automation, and data analysis. Stick around as I break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about SuperBolt, and trust me, you'll want to stay until the end because I'll also share how you can try it for free. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try SuperBolt for completely free through the link below, so if you're ready to explore the future of AI, check it out. Now, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the sheer power of SuperBolt's data integration. GeoSpy has packed this software with advanced algorithms that help you pull in and process massive datasets from a variety of sources. If you're in digital marketing or any industry that relies on data insights, SuperBolt by GeoSpy AI is a tool that helps you make sense of this information in real time, giving you a competitive edge in any market. It's designed to be intuitive, yet it has a depth that can power up complex campaigns with minimal effort. Second, SuperBolt takes advantage of AI-powered predictive analytics. This is huge. With the current trends in AI, you can't afford to miss out on the power of prediction in your business. Whether it's consumer behavior, market shifts, or trends that you need to keep an eye on, SuperBolt uses AI to forecast outcomes that let you make decisions based on more than just gut feelings. Imagine the level of control and insight you can have when you can predict the next big thing before anyone else. Third, the software's user interface is a standout. When I first got into SuperBolt, I was expecting it to be like other complex AI tools, but it's surprisingly user-friendly. The dashboard is clean, the tools are intuitive, and there's little to no learning curve. The developers really nailed the balance between powerful functionality and usability. You don't need a technical background to make the most of this software, which is a massive plus if you want to get up and running quickly. Another key feature you need to know about is its automation capabilities. SuperBolt integrates AI-driven automation workflows that save you time and effort. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, sales funnels, or just automating repetitive tasks, this software does it seamlessly. It allows you to create custom automation scenarios based on specific triggers, so you can be sure your processes run smoothly without constant manual input. Now, let's talk about customer support. GeoSpy AI has really stepped up its game with SuperBolt. The customer support team is responsive and they offer personalized guidance. Whether you have a technical issue or a question about using a specific feature, you'll get prompt help from a team that actually knows the product inside out. If you've ever felt left in the dark with other software, this will be a refreshing change. On top of everything, SuperBolt's integration with other software is next level. If you already use popular tools like Google Analytics, Zapier, or social media management platforms, you'll be able to connect those seamlessly to SuperBolt, pulling in data and making adjustments in real time. This helps ensure you get the most out of both SuperBolt and your existing tools. Finally, SuperBolt is continuously updated. GeoSpy AI is committed to making this software as powerful as possible, and it shows. Unlike other software that stagnates after release, SuperBolt keeps getting better with time, incorporating feedback from users and making improvements that reflect the latest advancements in AI technology. So there you have it, the 7 crucial things you need to know about SuperBolt by GeoSpy AI. If you're looking to upgrade your business processes, this software is definitely worth checking out. And as promised, you can try it completely free from the link below, so don't miss out on the opportunity. Also, if you're interested in exploring other AI software tools, I've included my recommendations in the description. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've curated a list of the best ones that you can test for free. That's all for today's review of SuperBolt by GeoSpy AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.